Okay, this is going to be a video that shows how to make the windshield, or at least the first sketch. So we're going to go ahead and make sure our AutomoBlocks project is selected. We're going to click on New, stay in English, do standard in.ipt, click Create, and we always start with a sketch, so we'll do this in our front view. And I've kind of got our sketch from Canvas open over here, so I'm going to start with a horizontal line, and I'm going to make this 3.040, and that is our first part. The rest of these are going to be arcs. I'm going to use my 3-point arc, and I'm going to make sure I start at the origin. I'm going to go somewhere up here and click, and then it's asking me to put the arch, so I'll click again, and I'm going to click my dimension tool, and this should be 6 inches. That's way taller than I need it to be, but if I look over here, I need it to be 3.01 from the end and 0.640 tall. I'm going to do the tall first. I click onto my dimension tool. I'm going to click on the point, the bottom line, put 0.640. And then I will go from the end, dimension this. It is 3.010. I'm going to make another arc, just a short one. I'm going to avoid any constraints that it's trying to lock me into right now. This is a 0.4 radius. And the dimension here, from here to here, is 2.55, and it is 1 inch tall. So here I'll go from there to the bottom line, put 1 inch in, and then I'll take my arc tool and finish this. Make sure I get that green dot. And I'll dimension. Now it just did a constraint, so I'm going to undo that. I don't want a constraint right now. So now I'll dimension this. This has a 6-inch radius again. And I think that's all we have to put in, because all the other dimensions are driven. So now if I scroll down, it says to remove these two and apply tangent constraints. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to get out of my dimension tool. I'm going to remove these two, this one and this one, and I'm going to take my tangent constraint, click on these two arcs, and then these two arcs, and those are tangent. And I believe our sketch is finished now. Go over here and help. It's going to extrude this to 2.55. So we'll finish our sketch, extrude, and we'll put in 2.55 inches, and that is done for this part.